Money should follow your rules, not control your life. Money that works for you starts with control, not income. Most people chase more money but never learn how to direct it. When money has no plan, it disappears silently. Disciplined direction turns income into a tool. Every rupee given a purpose begins to work. Budgeting is not restriction but instruction. Controlled money reduces stress and uncertainty. Direction creates confidence in decisions. Confident decisions improve outcomes. Outcomes compound over time. When money is guided, it multiplies quietly. Unmanaged money creates pressure. Managed money creates power. Power creates choice. Choice is real wealth. Clarity strengthens discipline. Discipline keeps money working daily. The best money works even when you are not thinking about it. Money that works for you depends on strong financial systems. Systems remove emotion from saving and investing. Automation turns discipline into habit. Automated savings build stability without effort. Automated investments grow wealth consistently. Systems protect money from impulsive spending. Consistency beats intensity in financial growth. Systems continue during low motivation. They survive busy days and setbacks. Money grows quietly in the background. Structure replaces chaos. Clarity replaces confusion. When systems run properly, money becomes predictable. Predictability creates peace. Peace allows long-term focus. Focus accelerates wealth. Systems reduce decision fatigue. Reduced fatigue improves consistency. Time is the silent partner that makes money powerful. Money that works for you must work with time. Time enables compounding. Compounding rewards patience, not speed. Early action gives money more time to grow. Delayed decisions increase hidden costs. Disciplined investors respect long-term horizons. Time smooths volatility and mistakes. Consistency over years outperforms quick wins. Money given time gains strength. Rushing weakens returns. Patience protects capital. Capital protected grows faster. Time multiplies small actions into big outcomes. The longer money works, the less effort you need. Time plus discipline equals growth. Growth creates freedom. Patience reduces regret. Long horizons reward calm thinking. Money that works for you reduces daily effort. Smart allocation increases results without exhaustion. Investing replaces constant earning pressure. Assets generate income while you sleep. Passive growth reduces dependency on time. Diversification spreads risk intelligently. Smart money avoids emotional decisions. It follows rules, not feelings. Effort shifts from chasing to maintaining. Maintenance requires less energy. Energy saved improves decision quality. Better decisions improve returns. Efficient money creates leverage. Leverage multiplies impact. Impact creates options. Options create lifestyle freedom. Leverage protects balance. Balance sustains progress. The real purpose of money is freedom, not display. Money that works for you ultimately delivers freedom. Freedom from stress and constant worry. Freedom from paycheck dependency. Disciplined money management buys time. Time allows better life choices. Controlled expenses protect freedom. Intentional spending aligns money with values. Freedom grows with consistency, not income alone. Money becomes a support system, not a burden. Clarity replaces fear. Stability replaces panic. Wealth becomes sustainable. Sustainable wealth creates confidence. Confidence improves life quality. When money works for you, life works better. Purpose becomes clear. Freedom becomes real. Freedom supports balance. Balance protects happiness. Wealth grows faster when assets work harder than effort. Money that works for you is placed into assets, not parked in habits. Assets generate value instead of consuming it. Smart assets create cash flow and appreciation. Income-producing assets reduce reliance on salary. Disciplined allocation turns savings into engines. Engines keep working without supervision. Assets reward patience and structure. Emotional buying weakens asset power. Strategic buying strengthens it. Assets turn time into income. Income builds stability. Stability improves confidence. Confidence allows smarter risk-taking. Smart risk grows returns. Returns create momentum. Momentum sustains long-term wealth. Assets reward consistency. Consistency protects compounding. Money that is not protected eventually stops working. Money that works for you must be protected from loss and misuse. Protection begins with awareness and planning. Emergency funds shield long-term investments. Insurance protects progress from shocks. Risk management preserves capital. Preserved capital compounds faster. Discipline avoids unnecessary exposure. Emotional risk destroys years of effort. Smart protection reduces volatility. Lower volatility improves consistency. Consistency strengthens compounding. Compounding rewards patience. Protection reduces stress. Reduced stress improves decisions. Better decisions protect money further. Protection keeps money working longer. Safety builds confidence. Confidence supports growth. Every emotional purchase steals future freedom. Money that works for you requires intentional spending. Intentional spending aligns money with values. Emotional spending drains energy and progress. Awareness slows impulse. Slowed impulse protects savings. Discipline filters wants from needs. Needs build stability. Wants delay growth. Intentional spending strengthens control. Control improves confidence. Confidence reduces regret. Reduced regret improves focus. Focused spending accelerates goals. Aligned spending supports systems. Systems protect wealth. Protected wealth grows calmly. Calm growth lasts longer. Mindful spending builds clarity. Clarity preserves momentum. Leverage can build wealth or destroy it, depending on discipline. Money that works for you uses leverage carefully. Leverage amplifies outcomes, both positive and negative. Disciplined leverage multiplies results. Reckless leverage multiplies loss. Smart leverage is planned and measured. Clear limits prevent damage. Leverage should serve strategy, not ego. Ego-driven leverage creates pressure. Pressure leads to poor decisions. Disciplined leverage respects cash flow. Stable cash flow absorbs risk. Risk managed creates opportunity. Opportunity grows returns. Returns increase options. Options create freedom. Freedom defines smart wealth. Restraint protects leverage. Restraint protects wealth. Money only works when you stay involved. Money that works for you requires regular review. Review reveals leaks and inefficiencies. Adjustment keeps systems aligned with goals. Goals evolve with life stages. Disciplined reviews prevent drift. Drift weakens progress. Awareness restores control. Control sharpens direction. Direction improves results. Results reinforce discipline. Discipline sustains systems. Systems protect wealth. Protected wealth grows steadily. Steady growth reduces stress. Low stress improves judgment. Judgment protects money. Control keeps money working for you. Review builds clarity. Clarity sustains consistency.